This user guide will show you how to download a Lumina Select portrait on the Lumina Applicants Tracker. First, visit www.luminalearning.com in order to log into our system. Press the Login button in the top right-hand corner. Then, use your Lumina account details to sign in to Lumina Online. Now, navigate to Lumina Services on the left-hand menu. Then, enter the Applicants Tracker area. You now have the Applicant Tracker interface in front of you. Select the position you would like to download a portrait from. You will now see the Positions dashboard. To view the applicants, click on the Merit List tab. You can now select applicants using the applicant list on the left-hand side of the page. You can also search for them using the search bar above the applicant list. Once you have selected your chosen applicant, click on the PDF button. By clicking this button, the file will have started downloading. This should only take a few seconds. Then you will be able to open the file. Depending on your browser, where you open the file from will differ. The example shown is using Microsoft Edge. However, most browsers will have the download appear in a similar part of the screen. Thank you for listening to this user guide on downloading a select portrait from the Lumina Applicant Tracker. We hope you found it helpful. Please feel free to contact support@luminalearning.com if you have any further queries.